with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Paris. Blessed day to you. It's a beautiful day. Lord, we are told me not eat that from Mr. Man. And I am at home, so it's warm. Rain is falling a lot in Jamaica, but no rain and fall short me there right here, so now. So what I have for you in this video is gonna be a St. Mary all, and when I'm done with the all, I'm gonna cook some food, you know. See it? Enough. Next clip. Okay, so on the ground here, so I got my jelly coconuts. These are so big. You see them cup here? I'm gonna put on it big. I've got here some dry coconut. I have green coconut. I have yellow. So me show now. I have green coconut. I have yellow coconut. I have bone dry coconut. 3 types of coconut I have. Got a little bunch of plantain. To God be the glory. I have banana. Banana. Okay, right here I got me some gully beans. Or susumba. Me alone here eat this, you know. So I'm gonna make you side. I got some breadfruit. The breadfruit them not start coming good. So that's just some little one this. And I just them already. The big one them they not coming in. See me got, look at me. Me got some. This is what you call ripe banana. You understand? This is what we call what the word I did? The one in the carbine with the self-ripe. When you talk about self-ripe, this is not carbine. They are ripe on the tree and it up. You see how much I have? See how some of them get soft up on me. When me I come a while ago, but me not throw them away. Because banana bread have to bake. And look here. Me have whole heap of my bags upon bags. A banana in my deep freeze, you know, bags upon bags. Alright, so me get some cream of the crop here. Me get some lime. I've got me 2 beautiful sugarloaf pines, organic. Yeah, of course, me have to get my soursop bush. Yeah, you know a country we go, a bush mouth we go. So we have to have bush. And this is my, what's this again? What is name? Fever grass. So you see, me have a good supply. I'm a soursop bush, and the right one. This is the one when you boil it, it's red. Did I show you my busy? Me get busy for make tea. Yeah, I may have my green coconut for putting in it. And last but not least, I got me a few peppers, a shoe. Real organic. Yeah, me show them the pine already. Yeah, so me show them I have again. My soursop bush, you know, say a bush mouth we go, we have to bring bush. My fever grass. Sugarloaf, Jamaican sugarloaf, everything me have is organic. No fertilizer and nothing. Get me some green busy, you know, not always have that. Me got some of the, this are the creme de la creme now at Jamaica. You know how much I doesn't feel lime? Ripe banana, for mad you. I know what I'm gonna do with so much ripe banana. I'll eat and then I'll maybe give away some. I'm not sure as yet. And I got few breadfruit, just few little breadfruit, then little, but me give thanks. And I got me some peppers, rain thing that the pepper them, I right now for pepper them. Nice little bunch of planting, not bad, not big. Dry coconut, jelly coconut, and last but not least, St. Mary will come from, so banana we say. Yeah, so this is what we got. Nice. Did I show you again my gully bean? Yeah, some salt mackerel on the inside of my stop on the road and buy. And I'm gonna be cooking now in the next clip. So stick around, and you know, so you have to comment in the comment section and tell me your favorite part. Tell me your favorite. Tell me when you watch this video. Remember to cock up your foot when you watch my video them. St. Mary was say, and St. Mary where I come from. Yeah, sit there, to God be the glory. Thanks to my mom, thanks to my dad, thanks to Boshu and all everybody. You know how much money worth or something this year? Remember me tell you. Yeah. Pineapple, wow. Fever grass, and me should I get some more bush, but it was so wet. Yeah. Next clip. Alright, Paris, so I'm on the inside now, so me have I want to use a 3 mackerel. I have 3, so I'm going to use 2. We're gonna look at it. Sometimes I like have a start mackerel left back up. Not even know where it store it. And then something else to store in your fridge, then it starts sitting here. So oh, them big. Really big, but reasonable size. So anyway, I'm gonna make the two. I know them something there shrink. So I wet me up, so rinse off the start. So I have 2 lime and I'm gonna leave it for soak. Squeeze the lime and put the lime skin in it. Leave it for soaking in the lime water. I'm gonna fill up this thing here. Oh, a green lime is always so refreshing. The juice of a green lime, you wanna know that? How powerful the juice of a green lime is? Wanna know about the power of a green lime, the rind and the juice? Tell me what you know about it in the comment section. Let me see if you know life journey. What do you know about the power of a green lime with the rind and the juice? Wanna know about it? Talk to me. So, I'm trying to. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to let it your chocolate road. I hold this at the so I'm going to put it just upon this. I use something, get some more water, go and throw in it. I can't bother with it. So, and that I do right now. I leave the mackerel for going. So, I'm kind of tired still enough. This is totally cut. Tired, I'm very tired. The first time I did them something, I navigate around them. Like go drive all about how far and come back and cook. Do this, do that, look, have small kids. But do them like a pro. No, we can't manage them something there again. Tired, body I get tired out. Work too hard. No, what? No. So, sorry. I go and fill up this water. The mackerel for soak out till we're ready for scald it up. When you left it with a vinegar, lemon or lime juice, say like 145 minutes. When you're ready enough for scald it more than one time. So I'm tired enough, I'm leave early car road. But look here. It is what it is. So next clip, dinner. Okay, now Paris, so my breadfruit in the pot. I put in 2 little pieces of dumpling. 2 little dumpling, I put in dumpling. I did make my flour head and my mackerel right here, so. Show me what I'm going. Mackerel there, so. Scald off, the start. And see my breadfruit there. See my flour here. Yeah, I'm going to have some banana, so. It's banana, boiled dumpling, and what's that thing? Breadfruit and salt mackerel, yeah. So I just cook one of them breadfruit. Them breadfruit, yeah. That's my type of breadfruit. So for roast. I soon take out the mackerel. The mackerel now go salt in it. I'm wash it off in the something there. The breadfruit them not hard. The breadfruit them full of water. The amount of rain. If you don't know nothing about breadfruit and them sitting there, you might not know. If you know, you really know. But if you don't know, you just don't know. When you're in a far country, the breadfruit them full of water. When I'm done, I show you my hand in my flour. Them take in the water through the stem. But the breadfruit stem up on the tree. So yeah. So I thank God, say, I have food. Them say the storm threatened food, but look here. We have prayer and them say maybe by the time we reach Jamaica it might scatter up. But look here. We are praying up Harry. They come now you are peeling on for me. Yeah man. Yeah, that I go put it. You can come. Make them a boil a little more. I don't want the breadfruit then soft out in although I can pick them out. So I can turn on this now and throw out the water. I throw out the water. Same time, I just have a few more dumplings for me. Dad, many hands make light work. That's why I always tell them, say, when we go up on the road and come back, everybody feel help, because one somebody alone can't show light burden. Me, I'm telling you something, you know. There's something about me. I'm going to take it from my mother. I tell you. Because every time I make flour, she always have one little piece left and she end up make two little soup dumpling. And that me I do too. I just find myself, it always happen, Parry. So look here. That in, yeah. Mighty God. Me tired. But me have one. I may not eat nothing big from morning. Now, when me eat from morning, banana chips and one little foolishness and one cup of hot water and some honey. Basically, that was it. So, yeah. Me catch that. Next clip, me I go chew off. Salt mackerel, left it back in the water for soak off and get my season prep. Next clip, me hungry. Alright, Parry. So, food. Food finish. You see it? Wow, the frost, the steam for the something that's come on the camera, so sorry about that. And let me not hold it on here. And the mackerel, do the little thing down there. Alright, now Parry, food done, so I put this food there, so I don't know if I can see. Might be too near, but I try tilt the camera some kind of way. I can see a little bit, eh? Yeah. Alright, yeah, see look like food there. See it? Open up something there, camera. And this are the mackerel. You see it? So I got to shut them dinner, you know. I'm sorry to show everybody. You know, so you see now here. You know, I don't want to see, you know. So first time people, you know, you're born and go a country salting. This big man have me, and then this is for jar. That's why I look for pepper in food. You know, see it? Jar. And cob. She you know, she has tushy already. Put a couple more pan for jar. What is? It's on my plate. Yep. All right. Find the slatted spoon there, but I make this can work, you know, so put in nana, boy. Put in brush. I never know say my son eat breadfruit. He said, Mama, we eat wild breadfruit. I didn't know that, Parry. I never know say Gerald eat wild bread. He said, Mama, we eat piece of wild breadfruit with the salt mackerel. So me a dish. Long time I not do this, you know, dish out everybody dinner. Oh, but you don't know some mothers we be matriarchs. We are the matriarchs of our family. So this is for Gerard. I come now on the boy breadfruit. She will eat dumpling. I don't know. She will eat dumpling and maybe one banana. So I probably give she 2 dumplings and 1 banana. Jerry said, Mommy, we eat the breadfruit. He said, we eat peas. I don't know if I eat 2 or what. Breadfruit, the dumpling, them boil and sink, you know. And they are temporary. You know what I see? Suppose you not see. Alright, let me draw this nearer. I couldn't see. I have it on some. But there's something in here. Not like a trivet something. I put them at. Yeah. Oh, Terence get 2 breadfruit. I'm not better eat not all heap again, you know. First time I used to eat as little as you see me. Oops. I probably ever hear say if you're at home and you have a dish. Put up back the camera. You see me I sweat, me say me I sweat. And you have a dish and the banana drop. Somebody I come get some of my food. You ever hear that? Oh, my face looks so dark. Okay. Come now, so I get a dumpling and banana. I know she don't want no breadfruit. I know she don't. She not eat the breadfruit. So I get her 2 dumplings and 1 banana. I guess if she want more, she will come take. Because food I go leave back in the pot. But I know she don't want. I know she don't want any breadfruit. I know that. Even though she want the banana. But I put it there. And most of the time she make her own food in. I want to know say for a long time how her food look washy. Because I don't know a long time when I'm there with me when I had this. See how her food time? Washy. So I give her 1 more brush. If you want eating, eat it. I will hungry from mine when I really eat a solid meal. Jerry. In my laundry here, the machine. And I give Daddy 1 more piece of breadfruit carb. I think he like the breadfruit with the salt mackerel. Oops. Yeah. So look here. I drink 1 cup of tea already. So I don't go bother drink no pot water. What do you use so? So that one. Never even fix good, but that's how life go. You see them food, everybody food over there. So now I see. Yeah. Family thing. So me I gotta deal it for me, I know. You want the brush? I like the breadfruit and the salt mackerel. Oops, I want them too now. I go take breadfruit. And somebody did them never begin the one with that peeling. Let me put them food out of the way. This is for Gerard and your father. I'm not come for no food. Yeah. I'm going to come back and finish the vlog with you, yeah? Hey, Pari. Lighting don't look so good, but I don't know. Jeez, I'm so drained. I don't know. I have to come back out to clean my teeth. I take a little 5. I'm tired. I'm in my bed. I'm tired. It's like maybe about 6 in the PM. I don't even care. I'm ready. I'm going to bed earlier. So, I'm tired. It was a long day. A really long day. I never signed up for the day for so long. But you know what happened? God's brought me through to it. Thank God for Jesus. I get something to eat. Yeah. And I'm in my bed right now. I'm so drained. I'm like this start of tired. You ever tired that when you go to your bed you just toss and you can't sleep? Yeah. I'm me that. I just feel tired and now I forgot kind of, but I'll beg that stretch me up. Stretch. Maybe like put me that light stretch. And my back kind of relax. My back, you know, my lower back feel tense. I'm going to ask him to do that for me when he come. And him not coming in, okay? Him out there so strong, him go on with that kind of foolishness. And then he go to the bathroom. But me tired. So, when I'm tired, I can't sit up to watch the television. So I just resort to the bed. So you see me earlier in the clip, God bless me, I'm going to get some food. I'm just saying, Lord, I just want to thank you for me, you know, for my ancestors, them, my pass on and gone. Thank you. Barry, if you have your family, them, and, you know, even though them gone and them make you live same way, you know, yeah. Them did, what do you call that now? What you ever call that now, Barry? Them did set the trend. that them pass and gone, but you still a live. And me I try to make it that when me pass to my kids, then can live and remember some good deed or some. I'm so grateful. Me say my back hurt me. Up on my up, I go down my back, me tired. Anytime you see my back hurt, me tired. But you know, me I come lay down and stretch out. And so. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. That I go do a kitchen. Between him and Jerry, then we do a kitchen maybe. One of them will do something, lad, my back power, my back. But that, me have my castor oil, man. He will rub it for me when he come. If I go get bread sun sitting pan, then white something here and so. Now the bed later, I come for end the vlog with them, because, you know, if you just thank you for love and support anytime I put and drop in a local video, I know watch it. So remember, cock up your foot and watch this. Me in my bed now, but I can't cock up my foot right now. Me not too much pain. So remember, I can't wait till he come. I will probably call him if I can rub this tired back. My back hurt me. Oh God, my back. So remember if you cock up your foot and watch. When you make wait until you're in your bed, cock up your foot and let my video them. That's when you watch them. Remember, in the comment section, tell me which is your favorite little part if you find any in there. Remember to love up your family, love on your children, love on your grandchildren, love yourselves, keep the family together. I feel we want that. We are the matriarchs, the mothers and the fathers. They are the patriarchs. But I think most of the time the matriarch them more than the patriarch them, you know. But it is what it is. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. Yeah, I thank the Lord Jesus. I got some food. You see me eat some good old Jamaican food. Good old St. Mary banana, brescia. Yes, man. All of them something there. I get some salt mackerel and every little thing. There, I showed you in the vlog that I had some, either some bargoli bean, whatever I want to call it. But I'll do a vid. I'll make a tutorial with something that I love so much. And I'll show that on the cooking channel. So this is the end of this video. Paris, thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things, you know. Give God the glory. No matter where you go through. You may be watching this video right now. You're going through a lot. We all go through things at some point. But there must be something that you can find to give thanks for. Lift up the praises. Yes, and remember, say a word of prayer. Make sure prayer is happening inside your household. Okay? I'll catch you again with another video. Or another Nyam Bang, which we haven't done one for the longest while. Or just maybe another live. Or maybe another St. Mary video with Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy is still on the job, on the roll, man. Just a little break. Sometime when we're ready for go, him have car problem, you know, and so on. But it's gonna be a mixture over right and over here. No pray for me the back. Thanks for watching.